Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use PWM to vary the brightness of the LED with STM32. Let's see what PWM is. Pulse width modulation, PWM, is a technique used in electronics to control power delivery by varying the width of digital pulses while keeping the frequency constant. Next, what is duty cycle? It is the ratio of T on and T total period multiplied by 100. Where T on is the time for which the signal is high. Where T total is total time period of the signal. For LED brightness, higher duty cycle equals brighter LED. This diagram shows the 25 and 50% duty cycle. Now we will start our project. In CubeMX, select the chip, that is STM32F for 01CCU6. And start the project. Choose pin PA6 and configure it as timer 1 channel 1. See, it is turned yellow, as it is not configured fully. Go to timers and choose TIM1. Go to channel 1 and select it as PWM generation channel 1. See PA8 turning green. Now the config page is open. Now we will set pre-scaler and counter period. See here, the system frequency is 16 MHz. Here counter mode is set as up. Set pre-scaler as 16-1. And counter period as 100-1. As in both cases the register counter increases by 1. Keep other settings as is. Here mode is set as PWM mode 1. This means the output stays high while the counter is less than the compare value, the CCR. It switches low when the counter goes above the CCR value. We will see how calculate PWM frequency. First we see the effective timer frequency. That is equal to timer input clock divided by pre-scaler. That is 16 million divided by 16 and it is 1 MHz. Now the PWM frequency is timer effective clock divided by counter period. That is 1 million divided by 100 and it is 10 kHz. Now the duty cycle is CCR1. Value divided by counter period. Let us go to Project Manager. Give name as PWM. Set IDE as Cube IDE. And click on Generate. Now open project. Now go to PWM and then SRC and open main.c. Here are the declaration for initialization functions. And this is the handle for timer 1. These are timer and GPIO init function. Now use this HAL API to start PWM timer with input as timer handle and timer 1 channel 1. Now set timer 1 CCR1 as 50. This is how LED connected to PA8. Now we will vary the duty cycle using for loop. Load capture and compare register with value of I. This should increase the brightness of LED. Here 100 is the counter period. We'll add the comment. Change the value I to 100 and decrement value to. Decrease the brightness of the LED. Add HAL delay of 5 milliseconds. This is the system clock initialization function. This PWM timer init function, showing the value we have set in the IOC file. This is GPIO init function. Now run the application. Ensure ST-Link v2 is connected to your machine. Now see the LED brightness variation. Now change delay to 50 milliseconds. Now run the code again. And check the LED brightness. So we have seen how to vary the brightness of LED with PWM. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.